In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit inbox rules in Microsoft Outlook. Inbox rules help you keep your mailbox organized by automatically handling messages as they arrive. Maybe your project folders have changed, or you want certain emails to be highlighted instead of moved. Editing a rule lets you fine-tune how Outlook treats those messages without rebuilding everything from scratch. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once it's open, head up to the File tab. From there, look for the option called Manage Rules and Alerts. This opens the Rules and Alerts window, which lists all the rules that are currently set up for your mailbox. In the list, click to select the rule you want to edit. Pick the one that needs an update, whether you're changing where messages go, who they apply to, or how they're labeled. With the rule highlighted, choose Change Rule, then select Edit Rule Settings if you want to adjust what the rule looks for and what it does. If you only need minor changes, like giving the rule a clearer name or moving its position in the list for organization, you can choose Change Rule, then rename or move for quick edits. When you're editing the rule itself, you'll see three main areas to modify. First, the conditions. These determine which messages the rule applies to. You can target mail by sender, subject line, recipients, or specific keywords.